Good morning. Today we're going to learn about elephants. Elephants are big. A female elephant can weigh as much as a car. A male elephant can weigh as much as a truck. Female elephants live in a group called a herd. Mothers, sisters, and daughters live in the herd. Male elephants like to live alone. They do not live in the herd with the females. Elephants live for 50 to 70 years. One elephant even lived to be 83. Every elephant has a trunk. A trunk has many jobs. An elephant uses it to smell and touch. It's also used to pick up bugs or berries. Having a trunk is like having your nose in your hand. The trunk also helps an elephant swim. When swimming in deep water, an elephant sticks its trunk up out of the water to breathe. An elephant's ears are large and flat. Elephants flap their ears to stay cool. Elephants get hot just like us. Elephants like to take mud baths. The mud protects their skin from the sun. Instead of putting on suntan lotion, elephants put on mud. Most elephants have tusks. Elephants use their right or left tusk, just like people are right-handed or left-handed. Some bad people, called poachers, kill elephants for their tusks. This is sad because elephants are now endangered. That means there are not many elephants left in the world. When a baby elephant is born, it is almost blind. A baby uses its trunk to feel for things so that it won't bump into them. When a baby elephant is born, it weighs more than 200 pounds. Elephants eat grass and plants. They only sleep 2 hours each day. They eat the rest of the day. Scientists have found that elephants are very smart. Some elephants have learned how to paint beautiful pictures with their trunks. Now, these are the questions I would like you to answer. Question number 1. What are 2 ways that male elephants are different from female elephants? We would answer it like this. 2 ways that male elephants are different from female elephants are... Question number 2. The story says that having a trunk is like having your nose in your hand. What does that mean? So you would write, I think this means, and then you tell us what you think. Question number 3. Do you think elephants are amazing? Why? So you would answer this question like this. I think elephants are amazing because, and you write why you think they're amazing. Well, I hope you've enjoyed learning about elephants today.
You might already know that elephants are large and majestic, but the extent of their size and intelligence may surprise you. Elephants are the largest living land animal. On average, African elephants are about 10 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh up to 18,000 pounds. The largest elephant in recorded history, however, was 13 feet tall and weighed about 24,000 pounds. To sustain this massive size, an adult elephant has to consume an enormous amount, up to 50 gallons of water and about 220 pounds of food, or approximately 70,000 calories every day. Elephant size, however, ends up restricting their movement. While they can walk and swim, elephants are one of the few mammals that can't jump. Their legs are too slender to propel their enormous weight upward. Plus, elephants don't have any spring in their legs since they stand on their toes. Elephants are intelligent creatures. One sign of their intellect is their ability to recognize themselves in a mirror. The only other animals capable of doing this are humans, great apes, dolphins, and magpies. Intelligence is also found in elephants' ability to problem solve with tools, but probably the most well-known form of elephant intelligence is their superb memory. As they migrate from place to place throughout their lives, elephants can remember locations of water sources along their migration routes. Elephants are the only living animals with long trunks. Trunks, which are a combination of a nose and upper lip, can be heavy and powerful. They contain about 150,000 muscle units and can weigh nearly 300 pounds. While an elephant's trunk can lift objects nearly twice its size, it's also adept at picking up small objects. Flap-like projections on the end of a trunk are precise enough to pick up individual berries or leaves. Outside of grasping, elephants also use their trunks to greet and reassure one another. They may intertwine their trunks or touch the face of other elephants to show affection. Elephant tusks are essentially giant teeth. Much like human teeth, elephant tusks are made of a material called dentine. The major difference is that elephant dentine has a diamond pattern that makes it super strong and gives it luster. Young elephants even go through a set of baby teeth, but theirs include baby tusks. They fall out after about a year and are replaced with a permanent set that can grow 6 feet long and weigh 50 pounds each. Unfortunately, elephants have been illegally hunted for their tusks. Demand for ivory products, which are made from tusks, has caused elephant populations to decline. African elephants are not endangered, but their Asian cousins are. African elephants are listed as vulnerable, and some countries in southern Africa are even experiencing an overpopulation of African elephants. Asian elephant populations have decreased immensely. The species' habitat once stretched across Asia, from Syria to northern China. But today, they only exist in isolated pockets between India and Indonesia. Habitat fragmentation, poaching for ivory, and conflict with local farmers are all factors that put elephant populations at risk. But by studying the complicated nature of conservation, we can come closer to finding a way that both people and elephants, with their exceptional intelligence and larger-than-life presence, can peacefully coexist.